With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. The value of k for which equations x square plus 2k minus 6x plus 7 minus 3k equal to 0 and x square plus 2k minus 2 into x plus 3k minus 5 equal to 0 has two different pair of equal roots. So let's begin with solution of this question. So here this term, that is different pair of equal root, says that this equation has equal roots, this equation also has equal roots, and that are different. It means that roots are not same for both the equation, but this also has equal roots, along with this also has equal roots. So here the discriminant of both this equation will be equal to 0, because this is only the condition for equal roots. So here we will just make the discriminant of both the equation equal to 0. So we can write discriminant d, that is equal to 0. And if we will just take that any quadratic equation is given to us like ax square plus this bx plus c equal to 0. So discriminant of this, that is value of d, that will be equal to this b square minus 4ac. It means that coefficient of x is b, coefficient of x square is a, and c is the constant term in that equation. So if we'll write our first equation, so we'll just make the discriminant of the first equation equal to 0. So our equation e1, this we can write as x square plus here this is 2k minus 6, this is multiplied by x, and here this is plus 7 minus 3k, and that is equal to 0. So discriminant of this equation will be 0. So we can write this square, that is this is b, and this is c, and this is our a. So from here the value of 1 is a, that is coefficient of x square is a. So it will be this 2k minus 6 whole square, that is b square, minus 4 multiplied by this 7 minus 3k, and here it will be multiplied by 1. So that is equal to 0. So if you will take this 2 common from this, so we get this as 4 outside, that is 2 square, and here this will be k minus 3 whole square, here this will be minus 4, here this will be 7 minus 3k, and that is equal to 0. So cancelling this 4 with this 0, so we get this as k minus 3 whole square, and its value will be k square plus 9 minus 6k, and here this will be minus into this 7, because 4 is we have taken common and cancelled, so it will be minus 4, this minus into this 7 minus 3k, so it will be minus of 7 and plus this 3k, so that will be equal to 0, because we are multiplying this minus into this, so it is minus 7, this minus into minus, it will become plus. So this is the value. So further if you will simplify, so it will be k square, this minus 6k plus 3k, so it will be minus 3k, so minus 3k, and here this 9 minus 7, so it will be 2, so this 2 equal to 0. So from here we can write this as k square, this 3k can be written as minus 2k minus k and plus 2 equal to 0. So taking this k common, it will be k into this k minus 2, and here taking this minus 1 common, so minus 1, here this will be k minus 2 equal to 0. So value of k we get from here, that is k minus 1, and another will be k minus 2, that is equal to 0. So k will be equal to this 1 comma 2. So these are the values which are satisfying this condition for the first equation. Now if we'll just proceed this procedure for the second equation also, so we can write this as the second equation as x square, and here this is plus 2k minus 2x, and here this is plus 3k minus 5, that is equal to 0. So from here this 2k minus 2, so taking this 2 first common, so it will be 2 into this k minus 1, this whole square, and here this will be minus 4, here this will be this 3k minus 5, and that is equal to 0. So this 2 will become 2 square, that is 4, and here also this 4 is present, so these will be cancelled out from this 0, and the term which remaining is k minus 1 whole square here, and this will be minus of this 3k minus 5 will be here, so 3k minus 5, that is equal to 0. So from here if we will proceed to find the value of k, so opening this whole square, it will be k square plus 1, and here this is minus 2k, here this will be minus 3k, and multiplying this minus sign with this minus, so it will become plus 5, that is equal to 0. So we have here this is k square, this will be minus 5k, and here this will be 1 plus 5, that is 6. So it is equal to 0. So from here we can just factorize this equation also, And by using the splitting the middle term, we can write this 5k as 2k and 3k. So it will be k square minus 2k. Here this will be minus 3k plus 6, that is equal to 0. So we can take k common from here, this first two terms. So it will be k minus 2 here, and here this will be minus 3 is common. So k minus 2, that is equal to 0. So from here we have two value of k. K minus 3 is first factor, k minus 2 is a second factor, that are equal to 0. So k is equal to 2 comma 3. So we have to satisfy both the condition for both the equations. So the common value of k will be the valid value. So k here is 2, here also this k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. That is satisfying both the equations. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.